Hi, I'm Amira, and my vision is to put Fishermans Bend on the map as a leader in circular and sustainable urban design. Talia is a 25-year-old university student from Eildon looking to move to Fishermans Bend in order to be closer to her campus. Being from the country, she is used to fresh air, rivers, and abundance of trees. She is dreading moving to Fishermans Bend because she's heard it's a concrete jungle, which doesn't align with her values. She wants to live somewhere green, sustainable, dynamic. Despite this, she decides to check out the rental property. As Talia rides from Flinders Street Station, she is surprised to be surrounded by nature and trees. She notices a QR code in the sidewalk and scans it. She is immediately directed towards a website that states, "You are standing on Bunurong country, looking at a circular economy in action." This structure has diverted 20 kilograms of construction waste from landfill and has captured much of today's rainfall and will use it to irrigate the local parks. She realises that these rain gardens line the whole main strip, and she begins to feel a lot more positive about the rental property. Part of the Fisherman's Bend plan is that 90% of construction waste will be recycled, ideally locally, creating the opportunity for a circular economy. Rain gardens are technically designed garden beds that contain layers of permeable materials and drought-resistant plants. They capture and filter excess stormwater runoff. Rain gardens are already planned for Fisherman's Bend. However, conventional rain gardens are becoming unsustainable as their construction requires using scarce resources. So rather than constructing unsustainable and costly rain gardens, why not use waste generated from construction to form the substrates within these designed garden beds? We aim to replace these conventional materials on the left-hand side with a combination of these wasted materials on the right-hand side from Fisherman's Bend. Identifying which materials work best to achieve this is the focus of research needed for this pilot. These rain gardens are not just going to go into the ground for people to ignore as they walk past. Part of the research necessary for this project will involve identifying sensors and software that users can scan, and they will go into the rain garden to track the performance and the impact of the design, and also translate this information for use in community engagement, education, and future innovation. This project ticks many boxes. In addition to the value of a conventional rain garden, recycled material rain gardens upcycle waste into an attractive and sustainable product. It reduces the cost of construction for local councils and introduces cutting-edge technology that can be scaled and implemented throughout all of Melbourne. This concept emerged from a university subject. I thought it was just a fun idea, but it quickly generated interest from a range of stakeholders, including landscape designers and engineers. This project is at the concept phase, which means it requires significant prototyping to make the vision come to life. Support from Development Victoria will enable 3 student interns to work at the University of Melbourne Opportunity Lab to determine the technical feasibility of this project. The additional funding from the City of Melbourne will enable us to expand the scope of research to include the use of data and technology for community engagement and build a more robust outdoor experimental design. The research for this project will occur at several phases, from a controlled greenhouse experiment to outdoor testing, where we will gather data and engage the community. The intended outcome is to identify and design a prototype of a recycled material rain garden that is viable anywhere in Fisherman's Bend. The eventual aim is to generate a body of knowledge regarding the use of wasted materials that will allow designers to build recycled material bioretention systems throughout the state and hopefully one day the country. Recycled material rain gardens are a win-win for all. Councils, residents, architects, construction companies, and students like Talia. Why not vote for a future that is greener, more sustainable, data-driven, and sees circular economy design right at your doorstep? Thank you.
Well,